Hello, you wonderful architecture students. Sanjay Matre sir and myself, Joy Fernandez, are launching this wonderful new exciting module called Design with Drama, where we are attempting to synergize the magic of the performing arts with the magic of the fine arts. How is that possible? It is because when we as actors, attempt roles or characters, we are trying to find our own unique way of attempting that because you want the audience to say कि ये रोल ना तो यही एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस कर सकता है. Isn't it the same for when you are creating structures? You want the people to see the structure and say ये तो यही बना सकता है. And that is the X factor, the wow factor, the USP that both us as actors and you as architecture students strive for. Now, in so many ways, there is always a synergy in the understanding of arts, whether performing or fine or indeed music or any of them. The basic disciplines are all there for you, but you have to adapt to them in such a way that it becomes unique to your style. So what we are going to do is understand all the rasas, the acting basics that we have with an idea of how can we apply that to the design factor. The idea being to think laterally and help you develop ways to think like you have never thought before. It's exciting and it's so, let me tell you, I have traveled the world for a couple of international productions. And the best part about that is that you get to see so many different auditoriums. You have to structure your performance. It has to be available both visually and vocally to all those audiences, regardless of whether you are in a thrust stage, a small stage, or in front, like in Verona in Italy, we were in front of a cathedral. It's an open air space. We were in small spaces in Stratford upon Avon. In the 17 cities of China, each theater was like an opera grand. But you have to be ready for that. So for that, we as actors had to understand the acoustics. Something that you also have to understand when you are structuring an auditorium or indeed any room. So this is the magic of the oral understanding of how to perform it. And also then the visual, which includes everything from how the light hits the set, how the set is created, how the props are kept on the set and used by the actors. Each aspect of design plays a huge role in understanding the visual. And this is true for both the screen and the stage. So now, as we go ahead in life, we realize that these elements are irrevocably intertwined. In the Phantom of the Opera, when I watched a lot of plays, and it's either at, the best place is Broadway or West End. And you'll realize that these mega, extravaganzas, they have such a wonderful understanding of all these aspects. In Billy Elliot, the stage comes out from the center of the auditorium. Then in Perfect Nonsense, that's the P.G. Wodehouse play, 3 actors perform all the roles of the book. And that's only possible because the stage kept shifting and the set kept moving. In Phantom of the Opera, the actors were all over. There was fog created on stage to mimic a river, and a boat went through. You get what I mean? In Matilda, there were actors doing the trapeze all over the audience. In the play that I acted in, which we traveled, Midsummer Night's Dream, bamboo became a forest and silks became trees and bowers. You get what I mean? So there is such a lot of magic in design. That's what made us actors look fantastic. So if you understand us as actors understanding the journey laterally, you will be able to understand how this can help your journey in making you think of ways or shapes or indeed understanding anything from your aspect in a wholly different way, lateral thinking. And then we synergize it and come to the end of the module with hopefully a better realization from me as to how wonderful the world of architecture can still enrich my life as an actor. And hopefully, I would be able to pass some of the wonders of acting to all you guys. Now, this is a special module. We can't take many participants because I would like to see that each one gets some really nice, tangible benefits. So, we are keeping the courses really tight. So, it will be nice if you could register as soon as you can. All the details are in the poster that is accompanying this video. And of course, Sanjay Matre sir will have all the details in case you need that. So I'm hoping to see a lot of you register, enroll. Also understand if the timings do not suit you, tell us what are the timings that do, because then we can structure different batches for the future. So this is really exciting and I hope to see each and every one of you in Design with Drama.
Since we are here and post the overview, I was going to ask you guys to come up with any queries or specifics. So since we are here, the four of you are more than welcome to share any queries that you might have about the course right now itself. I believe Larsen, I have worked with you. I believe Pushkar Raj, I have worked with, right? Were you all in the same batch?
Yes, sir.
You and Larsen were in the same batch, right?
Yes, sir. We were in the same batch.
Okay. Do you all know that you all have grown quite a bit since that time?
Yes, sir.
Shameless fellows.
What do you all do now? Pushkaraj and Larsen, what do you do?
Sir, I'm
Sir, right
pursuing
now-
CA.
You are pursuing CA. Okay. And Larsen?
Sir, it was basically more of a drop year for me, so I'll be entering college this year.
Which standard would that be?
First year I'll be entering this year.
First year of which course?
I'll opt for BMS in Capital Market from BSc Institute, Mumbai.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Right.
So they had actually that was Matre sir who spoke to you.
Yes. Hi.
He's a veteran in the field of architecture. I have not seen anybody and try to understand. Matre sir was my senior in my school days, and he was a celebrated artist right in school time. So the fact that he's running a successful architecture masterclass to all who are in our school is not at all a thing of greatness, because that is something that is minimum due that Matre sir would have managed. For us, he was famous in school only. And it is through him that I have presenting this course. Meantime, so Pushkar Raj and Larsen, I have a brief idea. I mean, I've worked a little, but I haven't forgotten you all. Just a little bit to suddenly see with that kind of facial hair, and the thing is a little bit.
So how long back
We were 4 years back.
4 years back.
Oh, yeah, but in teen years, Matre sir, it's a zameen asman ka farak hai.
Yeah.
Utna main bata sakta hu.
Right.
2018. Actually,
yeah.
sir, it was accurately 3 years back. It was the last paper in the FTIF, 4th of May.
Achha. Oh, so pretty much the same date. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4th
Not
May.
bad, Larsen. Not bad. Okay, that's good. So it's 3-5 now. We see the reason why I thought it might make sense to wait for it, because 3:10 I'm going to start the overview regardless of who has joined in.
Makes sense. We can
So
just
that
have
way-
a quick intro of the ones who are already present.
Yeah.
Right.
So maybe
Balram.
Balram.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Quick round of introduction.
Yeah.
Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Balram. No, not yet.
You put it all on this thing, but
I think
admin ka hai.
the mic might be off on your computer, the volume button. Just recheck that.
Volume. Yeah.
Nope, not yet. No, can't hear you. just increase the volume so that the volume button might come on.
Can you hear us, Balram? Can you hear us?
Can you hear us? Okay.
Ah,
Okay. Okay.
but I can't hear you, sadly. So maybe,
We can't hear. You.
Balram, maybe you can type in your this thing.
You can type in chat.
Yeah, just type in, and in the meantime, Balram, if you can type in your intro, that will be nice. Since I can't hear you, you can tell us a bit about what you're doing.
Oh yeah, you can rejoin. Yeah, Balram. Just log
Bilkul.
out and rejoin. Yeah.
Yeah. In the meantime, Devashish, if you can share with us.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Devashish.
Hello, sir.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
So can you tell us a little bit about what you are up to now, this thing, and what is your interest? And tell me.
Sir, I am doing BA LLB right now, and I am a theater artist from Swatantra Theater, Hindi theater group. Yeah, from 9 years.
Oh.
So essentially your interest is drama.
Yes, yeah.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Good to know. And once I give you the overview, perhaps then it'll be wiser then to ask you for queries. For now,
Yeah.
it is good to know. And where are you based, beta? Devashish, where are you based?
I am from Pune.
Pune. Okay. All right. Excellent. And thank you. And Vibhavari, can you come on? And thank you. And
yes, sir.
yeah, so
Can you see me?
Yes, if you could just switch on your video, all of you, if you could switch on your videos, and we'll have a quick round of introduction before we begin. Yes, welcome.
Yeah, so hi, my name is Vibhavari. I am 16 years old, and I've actually worked with you, sir, before. I don't think you remember, but the acting course for children in FTII conducted by Devendranath sir. You were there for 2 of our lectures. So I was a part of that group in 2018.
Okay.
So yeah,
2018. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I do. Face wise, the problem is that even 2 years in your this thing is a lot of a difference.
Yeah.
Visually.
Yeah.
Because that's what I just figured out with that. Because there are a couple of more, and even right now, Mariam, I think, has left her exam only and come.
Yes, sir, not important. I completed
What do you
it.
mean not important? वो exam क्यों छोड़ के आया यार?
नहीं खत्म हो गया सर, खत्म हो गया. MCQ था, MCQ format.
But you have responded properly. You have finished it, or you have just?
No, I got that. Thank you.
Okay.
What course was this, Mariam, that you are doing currently?
Sir, I'm in my first year of mass media. I just got done with that online, and I have been behind Joy sir since the day I have met him.
Wonderful.
I've not left him. I've worked with him. I've assisted him at the same FTI course. I think there's 4 of us, 5 of us here from the same course.
Oh, all right.
And then we did the acting, comic acting with FTI together.
Yeah. Okay.
The film, the online one.
Yeah, film. That is the appreciation thing.
Film appreciation for Hindi comics. I was there with that also.
Yeah. So see so that's good. So now, except for who was that? Who was supposed to go and come back? Balram.
Balram. Vibhavari, which course are you doing currently?
I'm in the 11th right now, so I'm just getting through college.
Which college?
Suryadatta in Pune.
Pune, okay. And Mariam, where are you from?
I am from Pune.
Okay.
But my college is in Bombay.
Okay. Which college?
RD Nationals, Bandra.
Okay. Yes. Welcome, Dia. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Dia D'Souza, and I'm a Tridha student. That's where I met Joy sir for the first time. I don't know if he remembers, but I'm also Nilesh Kamath's niece, if you know. And
Yeah, I
my
know.
mom has been through this, so I wanted to meet you and have a interaction. And I'm currently in my first year. I'm doing BMM from St. Paul's Institute, and I want to go into drama, so I'm here because of that. Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent. So fine. That is Matre sir. For those who have come in later, yeah, Matre sir is the reason I am here with you right now, because the idea was that Matre sir runs architecture master class. He prepares students during the process of the journey to becoming, good architects, and not just via. He's there for them as a mentor as well. That's what he's most known for. It's not just about what he imparts in terms of the curricular nature, but also in parts in terms of fortifying the students mentally and academically as they enter that part of the journey. Because just as you will understand, and all of you right now are stepping into that part where and unfortunately, our generation has not left a great world for you right now. The hope is that you will do better and leave a better world for the people who will follow. So you guys are at the cusp, of so you by sheer default have to perform at the next level. Otherwise, ye hoga nahi. So which is great, because I don't think, I mean, the fact is, as I realized that some of you I've already worked with, and the fact that you are here also indicates that there is that some kind of fire, that some kind of passion that needs to be worked on. Why, what, theater for me also, as I, in the few times that I've worked with some of you, whether it was 2 sessions or this thing, or even when you would have realized when I worked with the Trida blocks, I did it for about 2 or 3 years. The idea is that theater, unless it imparts us learnings that can stay for life, more or less, in terms of therapy, like the drama in terms of therapy, what can it do to us? Moral, yes, definitely for us to perform for whichever medium we want to. But beyond that, how will it fortify us? How will it make us strong for life? And that is the journey that is exciting for me, because then, regardless of what you choose to do, whatever we share during the process then becomes useful for you. If it is only structured for the stage or the screen, then somewhere I feel I will not be doing my optimum, if that's all I'm going to try to offer you. We're going to try to share and try to see if we can hit the next level. Agar karna hi hai, why should I take time out of my life if I'm not going to enrich myself? Fair call. It cannot, you will also realize this later on in life, that money itself will not drive your life. That cannot be everything. You will lose interest at some point. It has to be what you work for. So this course, now I know that most of you here are focused on the drama aspect, not necessarily the design aspect. But this particular course, we will try to find the magic of both these worlds. And we will structure it. And I know, because I've given it some thought, it's a very exciting module that I want to, put in place. Because especially why? Because of the format that we are now forced to work in. Offline abhi possible nahi hai. And drama in the online space can seem very limited. But what I have done now, forcefully, because of this time, even in the last few months, I've had to work quite a bit online. And therefore, I've realized how to structure my deliverables with this space. Now, if I am doing that, which means that if we commit to these 12 sessions, then we are not going to be committing to just that 1.5 hours that we are going to be in front of each other in the screen. The overview of this module is that we are going to have this 1.5 hours of interaction on the screen where you will get theoretical knowledge about all the aspects as much as I know, and I will be treating you as young actors. So you will get the same kind of information and understanding that I give the FTI actors when I come there to teach. So we will go through the understanding via, and I am extremely taken up and intrigued and also impressed by the rasas. See, I have been privy to all kinds of schools of acting, and I will also offer you from the other streams, which are the Western streams, which are not only the Western in terms of just across, like whether it is the Russian influences, whether it's the Stanislavski, whether it is the Stella Adler, Lee Strasberg, Meissner, you name it, there are all of that. So what are the best parts of that, or what are the most important issues, focus points, let's say, like sense memory, those aspects of that, from there we will take, and we will also, and at the same time I want to work on it vis-a-vis the rasas, which I feel are fantastic. Our Natya Shastra had the idea, it's only how do we implement the understanding of the rasas in today's time. Natya Shastra was wonderfully written, it is but it was available to a very ancient time, centuries ago. So when we take that knowledge and make it available here, we have to then adapt it to our time. Now, Dia, right?
Yes.
Dia?
Yeah.
Now, yeah, Dia, I believe you have a background in dance.
Correct.
So so when dance right now, a lot of, like, I work with some of the dance this thing, and a lot of the old guard have a problem with this whole fusion thing. But unless there is some understanding with the present, you're not going to, that entire dance form will die. So it is only by making some parts of that dance available via the fusion that you are in the hope that some of the new will want to learn the dance in its originality.
To some extent, that's true. Because see, my mom teaches online now. And so she tries to imbibe what is already original, but in a new song that is relative to this time. So
Correct.
In a way
That's what I mean.
Yeah, correct.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean. It has to be made available now. So you will have, that's why people doing Kathak to the Bollywood songs. It's not that, it's the logic is that you will get the younger generation to say, I know the song. So therefore I will learn about the dance. So it's all about being made available at this point of time, so that then therefore if somebody because of that likes the dance, then they will go and learn the proper dance, right? So similarly, if an actor is interested enough to understand what the rasas are, what do they stand for, and if I make them available with whatever I have at hand, then maybe they will go deeply and understand what the rasas stood for in their originality. So one part of it, the way I structure my modules, I'm really listening, and considering that I am Indian, it really helps that to celebrate these aspects of our, what is there very strongly in us. Having said that, with the rasas, we will also we will also understand every genre in terms of whatever we need to, so that we are available to all, so we have a global aspect to what we are learning as well. What works there? How do they work? What are the W's? That's their concept. How do we implement the W's in our rasas? So I have created a module that amalgamates the best of what we have with the best of what they think they have, and try to see that it is available to our talents, and try to structure it that way. So over the period of 12 sessions, once we do the theory here with me, we will be able to do some of the exercises, not all of the exercises. and that is something I have made my peace with. If I keep worrying about the fact कि मैं group work नहीं कर सकता हूँ, like for example, those of you who were there on the in my FTI batches in the kids batch, you will remember you all were 20-25 of you. So that time group work was wonderful to do, but यहाँ पे नहीं हो पाएगा वो. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम वो काम we will not be able to work on that. We will be able to do tremendous work on a personal level with a design aspect, and where the work will also take place is beyond the screen, because at the end of it, I am going to be giving you assignments at the end of a session, and those assignments will involve you. Since most of you are drama, this thing coming from with the drama focus in mind, then they will be dramatic assignments. For those of you who want to, I will also give design based assignments, because that would be exciting for me, and it will be important for you also, because that design will help you probably unlock your journey, your creative journey, when you're creating for the like if it is a performance piece you're creating. The moment I shift you laterally to something else, it will open this one as well. Trust me on this. So what we will do is, what we may not achieve in the group work, we will be able to achieve 10 times more in the individual work, which is also worth its weight in gold for an actor in this journey. Because then you will do your assignments, you will send it to me in between before the next thing, and I will be able to analyze and sometimes give your analysis in between only. So the problem is कि अगर हम यहाँ पे काम करेंगे तो 4 घंटे भी will not be enough, because individually if I ask each one of you to do something, it will take some. We will do some exercises on the group in the class, but all we can't do here. So there will be a lot of work that has to be done. So when you will be committing, you will not be committing only, neither will not be committing to only this 12 online sessions. We have to commit for these entire 6 weeks. In between, this is what is going to happen, because without that analysis, how are you going to apply it to yourself? I have realized that the online space in acting, the only way it can work is if if we do your assignments and I keep analyzing it. The good part is, over time, you might even have a small show reel that you can edit later. Depends on how much you want to, because that's what an actor needs now, finally. And the advantage is you will get me focused to police your reel, because that you've got to get some advantage na agar tum karoge. So if you do your assignments on time and you do more than your fair share, like agar मैंने 2 बोला और तुमने 4 किया तो मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. That way, the harder you work, the better for you, because then I'll be able to give you more analysis. That's the whole point. That is the unique thing of this module. The USP of this module is not what we will do here. It's I will help you apply what I'm telling you here via that. Because improv में थोड़ा ही हो पाएगा यहाँ पे. You will not be able to achieve everything right here. Because अगर मैंने अभी assignment दिया कुछ, अगर मैंने अभी कुछ exercise दिया, तो आप अभी कर लोगे कुछ, लेकिन आपको लगेगा नहीं. तो ये improv के level पे हम जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन main जो हमको फायदा मिलता है वो scene work का भी हमको करना पड़ेगा. Scene work तो होगा, and maybe you can use like certain things. You may not be able to give me scene work with your with co-actors like each other right now, but you have captive people at home who are stuck with you, correct? So you can, if you want to, broaden yourself. So this can become a very exciting. I know, and because I have been doing this with other students on private workshops, so I know that is possible. I know that and it has been extremely beneficial for students who have been looking at taking this forward for screen work. I can give you the tenets of stage work as well. But since neither of us can get into a black box, at least a minimum black box space right now, it will remain at the level of theory. Some of it we can try there, but I can't take you into any outdoor space or into any challenging theater space right now. But screen work, we can achieve a real lot, because you will be doing your assignments vis-a-vis screen. So that will be your overview, and we will cover every aspect of the rasas as much as we can. We will. You have done a little bit of voice and breath work with me. That is 2 or 2, 3 of you. In that, I will be giving you more details about understanding your resonators and getting to understand the entire sargam of how to present your vocal. I will be giving you the entire thing of the your vocal gym as well. So that will stay with you regardless of whether you want to use it for stage, for screen, for your group discussions later, for your communication later, for any leadership things, because you will need your apparatus in the best way. So that's going to happen in any case. That is always one part of my module, because it is required for every genre of acting. You all were, whether actually that's how it when I in FTI, when I first came on, I went there for comic acting. कॉमिक एक्टिंग में जाके देखा तो कॉमेडी के लिए हमको पूरा एवरी एस्पेक्ट यूज करना है, बॉडी से लेके वॉइस. then I realized कि that was not very strong. So voice work, I had to then do, one of my sessions was on voice. So the next time then improv, that also the same thing. So then finally the last batch before this lockdown, when I went there specifically for 1 week just to work on voice. They called me, they said because that is the need now, and that is how important it is, because actors don't realize ki that is, you don't need to struggle for characters. If you can isolate every aspect of your vocal, it's literally like the sargam, every aspect is there, and the same sargam you have in your body language, even that I'll be able to apply here via your assignments. Because when you're sitting here, you won't be able to do too much. But when I give you your assignment, you will go, keep it there. We will do your body language exercises, your work, and then I will do the analysis. So that is how we are going to manage the, the deliverables. You will know for sure how you are applying this theory, the theory that I'm giving you here, practically to your life. And the best part is, each one of you will have a different vocal makeup, but by the end of it, you will know what you need to do to build range, and the very same thing for your body language. Each one of you will have a particular body language, and we have to push that to try to see that you develop the entire range. Earlier I used to do it specifically for comic acting. Now I present it for all the rasas. Hasya is just one of it. So hasya to hum karenge hi, but all the other rasas also we will work on. This is our overview. Is it clear? Right. Now, if I am ready for specific questions. So whoever wants any specifics, please ask. Yeah, Mariam.
So very coincidentally, I had been looking for graphic designing courses recently to do. So I want to understand that when you talk about design in this course, what are you specifying on? Like what kind of design? Is it like architecture related, or is it like any kind of design?
I'll tell you. Good you asked. See, the design part is that for theater, design is involved in every aspect of what we do. For theater, for screen. When I mean design, it is now how do I design my idea? Okay, in terms of ideation, you will realize that everybody has a set pattern of thought. We will break that. So when I use the design objective for that, I will come up with exercises or assignments that will help you break that thought process, so that you will be able to, for example, now if I tell you to ideate a scene about a particular thing in a particular geographical location, तो एक यही होगा, तो उसको हम तोड़ेंगे पहले, उसको कैसे तोड़ेंगे डिजाइन के हिसाब से, that again I might ask you to draw it out. Or if you want to, if you're thinking of the scene, what are the colors that you think in that scene? Now, this is just 2 or 3 things that we will do in terms of the ideating. Now, once we have ideated, once we have structured it, then every aspect of design comes in, whether we are talking about what are the props used. How we remember when we did it in that, the prop scenes, how do you take a prop and use it in creatively? That we are done for lateral thinking. So imagine that vis-a-vis even with the ideas then. Correct? So yeah, then how does it affect us? What does design do in terms of body language? How do you structure body language keeping the idea of, so these like shapes, for example. Remember when we had done, did I do the clown walk with you guys? So in that, again, suppose you think shapes, you will be able to hit different body languages if you're thinking shapes, rather than go by the normal things. And that is an exercise in some of these, acting schools. They actually think shapes, curves, straight lines, angles, to get the, because otherwise you're going to hit a ceiling. If all you're going to do is your understanding of what the body language is, you will hit a ceiling. There is just that much possibility. But when I break that, you will realize that shapes, there are endless permutations and combinations. So if there are endless permutations, that is what, suppose in dance, that's what they try to do. What is choreography? They keep trying to experiment with it. So they keep trying to, so finally you will notice when it is mota, when you see, it is, they have to understand what is the design, right? So in every aspect of what we do, design is already a part of our journey. We are just going to take it and highlight it. Makeup, light, sound. I'm going to ask, I will make you all experiment on everything of that. How does sound affect this thing? So you will be creating an assignment where the only hero will be the sound. So you'll have to, so that, do you know how important sound design now is there in today's day and age? Earlier, this was not so strong, but now sound design is a huge aspect of screen work and stage work. There is and this is not from now. There is a in Absurdist theater, Samuel Beckett wrote a play called Breath many moons ago, and that is just, and the entire play is just 30 seconds of a person breathing. This is Absurdist, but it was performed. Just in case you think कि ये किसी पागल का देखेंगे, हाँ बिल्कुल उस जमाने में वो पागलपन ही था, but वो play लिखा भी गया है. वो, it takes you, it was the entire stage directions are 1.5 pages. So it will take you about 5 minutes to read how to perform a 25-second play. So I'm saying, don't worry, you don't have to be scared. I'm not going to. That's not a journey. I'm just giving you examples of how this has traveled through time. The idea and concept of every aspect. Then props, setting. Now you may be right now, wherever you are, whatever you have as your backdrop. If I ask you your assignment now, if I give you this thing, then depending on what rasa we are working on, what is the focal point, what are your W's, you will accordingly then have to structure your setting. And you will not have and the idea is to get as creative as possible with what is available here. If you are able to crack that where you are, you will be able to crack that wherever you go. So depending, so whenever I finish a session, I will have a list of the assignments. Some of it will be design oriented, some of it will be specifically drama oriented. That, depending on how much you want to push, which aspect you want to push of your journey, you can do more variations of that assignment. Do you understand? For example, if you want to focus more in that exercise on understanding the design elements, you want to push that. So do more of those, do more videos of that. Like अगर मैंने setting का बोला है, वो अच्छा लग रहा है, आपको वहां पे पुश करना है आपको अपने आप को, तो उसके दो तीन कर लो. तो या तो अगर ड्रामा का है तो ड्रामा वाला जो मैंने असाइनमेंट दिया उसका 2-3 ऑप्शंस करके भेज दो. करेक्ट, बिकॉज टाइम तो उतना ही मिलेगा. तो चॉइस, you have the choice to hone which aspect of what you want to do. I am going to structure the module to benefit both the design student and the drama student. But sometimes, but your idea of getting into it might be, I want more from drama, for example. Somebody might say, "No, I don't, drama to hai, theek hai, but I want to get more of the design." Your choice. How the theory will be the same. I will give you all the angles to how to break it for this and this. I will give you all, but your idea of how you work on. Now, for example, when you come back with the design aspect, some of the things I will be sharing with Matre sir, where I feel that that these things I would want his overview over that. Similarly, Matre sir will also be privy to whatever is coming from the drama thing, and his analysis to you for your drama thing might just open a completely different thing which you have not talked, and same thing for me. That is why this is so exciting for me. So when you give your assignments, I will analyze, but some of them I will also be sending to Matre sir for his focus. Correct? Does that answer your question, Maria?
Yes, sir. Because I have no knowledge in design more than like I don't even, am I good at it or no? So I think that's how I want to explore myself.
That is exactly how you came to the acting thing. Same thing you told me when it's all right. वो करके ही फिर हमको पता चलता है. ठीक है? You're lunatic enough to figure out. Don't worry.
And you are open enough to attend the
Yes.
participate. So yeah, that takes care of it.
That's not a worry. Did I say right, Matre sir? Anything?
Yeah, totally. Except that my students more call me Sanjay sir, and then they have further reduced it to SS. Yeah.
So fine. For me, I don't know. Sir ही निकलेगा कैसे भी आप बोलोगे तो.
हाँ, तो Sanjay sir is fine rather
Sanjay
than
sir.
Matre sir.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
how my
Sanjay
students tend to call me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. So Sanjay sir, anything else you want to tell them or add to it?
Yeah, so with Mariam's context in mind, since you are entering graphic design field, so start also, am I right?
No. I don't know if I want to. I just want to explore these short courses that come up. So I don't even think I'm good at it, absolutely. But I wanted to explore myself with it.
Okay, you are humble enough to consider that you are not.
I can't draw a straight line.
That is okay. That's perfectly fine. Yeah. So the thing is, we would look at, my contribution would be also about the visual aspect. In fact, particularly the visual aspects in terms of like the elements of art and principles of composition and principles of design. Like be it any kind of design, be it architecture or interior design or drama or graphic design or any of these things, or even a rangoli pattern or shop front design, absolutely, etc., etc. So all these elements like alternation or parallelism or symmetry or contrast, transition, scale, proportion, all these have a bearing on the theatrics or the visual impact that gets created. And when all those elements are in sync, it becomes a nice symphony. Balance, harmony, unity, rhythm, variety, movement, emphasis, all these are various aspects to take care of and work on and specifically highlight as a focal point, or maybe that can become the dominating idea around which the whole thing revolves. So, so it'll be nice to see the parallels between a performing art, a visual art, and yeah, it'll be nice that mishmash, that juxtapose, that pitting against each other also at times will actually create a synergetic relationship between these two and give rise to something that none of us can yet predict. And that will be the real leap of faith and accessing the unknown territories and coming up with something that is completely surprising to all of us. Yeah, and that will be the enrichment of the field, of the discipline, of the realm of like pushing the boundaries, because something unexpectedly came together, and then not having a very rigid agenda either, so that you're meandering through all these spaces and exploring and discovering. So that experimentation is something that will be very interesting. Yeah. Right.
Yes, Sanjay sir. Actually, what Sanjay sir has said is precisely what drives me as well. Because I'm hoping that something, whenever I start a new session or a new course with someone, there is always this exciting aspect. Can I get something from this that will enrich my craft that has not happened before? So that is the carrot that drives me to be mad about these things even now. And more so, not only this thing, even when I work with the younger children, because they don't know what they have. उनके पास gold है, उनको समझ में नहीं आता कि that they उनके पास सिर्फ इतना नहीं है कि तजुर्बा नहीं है. They don't have experience, but they are sometimes programmed to be better. You guys would be in the same zone.
Yeah.
The idea is you will be just like Mariam said कि मुझे पता नहीं है. बिल्कुल तुम्हें पता नहीं है. हमें वो कौन सा रास्ते पे जाना है वो पता है. But how you will walk down might even teach us something. See, that is what I'm trying to do. Some of my best stuff, some of the stuff that keeps me topical, I have learned from children. I've learned from all the top people, yes. But they just help me hone my craft. What gives me that something absolutely new comes from a new batch. I've also done these when I did these short comic courses, I've had people who were 68. 72 coming in, and their whole idea of comedy is completely in another world. But their approach to it gave me so much more, gave me so many more ideas of how to approach characters, how they have this thing. And some of them I'm still in touch with, not because we are doing anything together, but because we've connected on something. I've had a person in one of the thing who was from a very small town in Madhya Pradesh, who was a cancer survivor and constantly being made fun of. He's now making YouTube videos. Because he found that if people are going to poke fun of me, I'm going to enjoy this thing. I'm going to ensure that iska kuch to fayda uthao.
Yeah.
Because he's extremely skinny. But he found so everybody finds their mojo, and through them I have found some of my best lines through this. I found some of my best thought processes. I've structured plays depending on that, and that's why it is. So you guys also, when you get into something, the idea is to get completely, as Sanjay sir said, find that what is the new, and for you everything is new, na? Because you are at that age point. You're still, thankfully, never lose that. The idea is never lose the learning part of your. Because just at your age point is when people start going from leaving learning mode and going into execute mode. And that is not very exciting. Keep that learning thing going, that childlike madness. Because for a child, you notice how a child looks around. Everything is wonder. उनके बच्चों के फितरत में अद्भुत रस होता है. everything is adbhut. And only because of that, they are able to learn like that. And then slowly the world takes away that glaze and the twinkle. And then you have that, and then they go into execute mode. Then you are just, then it's excitement is gone. So whereas for actors, we are not supposed to lose that. And you see, so you are like a young child, even though you are hitting whatever age point. And that gives you the energy, the that little bit of constant looking for new, how can I learn my lines better? I will also, like, for example, all things, how to design the work towards getting that. So we will, there will be a small work on text, how to plan your journey towards understanding a text. All that will be done. Textual work, that is also important. So how do you learn? So there we will spend some time understanding the concept of memory, how to better that. That is extreme. That's one of the most important things. And similarly, how is the concept of memory when we want to look at it from the design point of view? How does what we have stored in, how does it affect what we will put out? So all these things, there are, once we go on that, and again, we will work as long as we feel excited about. So the idea is, hopefully at the end of the journey, if we worst case scenario, we should have found out something new about each person. You should be able to understand how best you can approach this medium, and how you can, and I will ensure that when you leave, you will know how best, what you have to do to improve, and individually, because otherwise there's no point. It can't be a one size fits all. So through the assignments, I will know each person what they need to do to better themselves. वोकल में कितना काम करना है, फिजिकल में कितना काम करना है, आइडिएटिंग में कितना काम करना है, क्या पुश करना है. So you will have that flowchart for the rest of this thing. But that is the worst case scenario, I'm saying. वो तो होगा ही. Best case scenario is, at some point of time, at the end of it, collectively, if beyond this course, you all can get into something that you all can then create. Some performance piece, either individually or together. That is the best case scenario, where you will be able to create something that blows our mind. Something. Keep the option open. We don't know. We haven't tried. That's why when we work, like at the end performances in terms of this thing, it's always exciting to find out vis-a-vis that particular group, what they can hit to their best level, because each group has their own challenges and their strong points. We will try to find that as well. Whoever is involved, maybe the collaboration can continue beyond us. That would be nice. Whether it is individual, whether you work with other people, but take that on, make that work. Then this thing will really be good when it moves past that. Yes, Sanjay sir, anything else you want to add, or you guys? Yeah, sorry.
Smriti has joined in. I'm so sorry. I hope I did not make you wait for way too long. I was just I went live on Insta just to create some buzz, and I completely ignored the new the waiting room. So I hope I did not make you wait for too long. Smriti, could you please introduce yourself? Just unmute. Yeah, go ahead. And where are you from?
Yeah. Hello, sir. I'm sorry I got a bit late to the class. I'm Smriti. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, currently I'm in Chennai. I'm learning Western vocals, classical, and Indian classical music.
All right.
And your interest, Smriti, in this is via the drama aspect, and the design aspect, or was it one or the other?
Yes, sir.
दोनों को
So
कैसे
it's
guess किया?
drama.
Drama, okay.
I'm interested in drama.
Okay.
No, sir, only drama.
Okay, no problem. Because मैं that's what I was trying to tell them even before that कि whether you this thing I'm going to find a way to see that your means whatever your thought process is, if some people have come in with the idea of getting more out of this in the drama aspect, then their journey will be structured like that. And if some want to get more of the design aspect out of it, the journey will be structured for them like that. There will be both. That's what I'm saying. How much you do of the assignments, how much you understand, and how much you want from me. You can question me as much as you need. Past this also, like once we are done with the on the group, you can put in your questions. If not at that moment, they will be discussed in the class. They can be discussed. If I might be later on coming in 5 minutes before the class. So those who Endu cutlets who want certain things, they can come in, ask me before, ask me after. All that is possible. So each person should feel very secure that whatever I want to do in this, I will be able to get at least that much. And Smriti, if you were not there before, then we were saying that the drama we will be going via the rasas, but I will also be using all the tropes and the points that the Western acting schools also have. But the main focal thing, I will be making them applicable in this module via our rasas. So whether it is sense memory or the W's or any of that thing, it will be via our rasas. कि हास्य रस में वो कैसे applicable होगा, अद्भुत रस में वो कैसे applicable, रौद्र में कैसे होगा, and the others. That is how we will go. Because you need to structure a module based on something. So that will be our base.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions, Smriti? You are more than welcome. Right now it's question time. Anybody, Smriti or anyone else, if you have questions, you can ask, please.
Sir, I actually just I didn't register. Like I just got a link to a Google form and they told me to let's go for the free session. So how do I register for this?
There's a Google form which had to be filled in.
Yeah.
So abhi I think that ship na beta has sailed.
Okay.
Because that was supposed to happen till this. But you can still fill that form because then we'll have your details.
I think she's already filled.
I filled the form. I was told that you can attend a free lecture if you fill the Google form. But how do I register for future classes?
At the end of this free lecture, you will be given the details, and you can then register.
Okay.
Yeah. So in fact, agar there is, if you don't have any questions, then we will go into the details of the registration. If you have any questions, we are here specifically for that. Anything specific? कोई भी अगर है?
Yes.
Larson or Pushkar Raj जिंदा हो?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are and if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Or if you're clear, then we will give you the details.
Devashish, Diya, any questions? Any of you? Yeah.
It's clear. Only the registration if possible.
Yeah. Okay. So now what will happen is to you all we will be sending the details to transfer the thing. The cost of this workshop is at this point of time, this is something new we are trying. So we are costing it right now at $500 a session for a participant. So these are 12 sessions. So now that comes to 6,000. If some of you have worked with me, you all will know that my children's classes are more than that. So the fact of it is that the idea being is that it's something new I want to try. So we thought that we will try this. This is an introductory thing. We'll see how this works. And then we are having. Now, as I said, think about it, because the work is not just, don't think about it just in terms of the session. Most of the work will happen. We are committing for 6 weeks. So that is how it is. So if you are interested, then what we will do is, you have our number. So those who are interested, please send me a message, a text, and I will send you the details to transfer the. Once that is done, then we will start. See, I mean, we could the batches are we are supposed to do it on Tuesdays and Fridays. Correct? This timing is when we are doing it, 3 to 4:30 on Tuesdays and Fridays. So the idea being that we had put that we were going to start next Tuesday, but if this is the thing. So if you all are able to do it fast, then we can also start this Friday. There's no sense waiting for next Tuesday just for wasting a week unnecessarily. So if I get the requisite responses, then we are more than keen to start this Friday. Is that okay, Sanjay sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, does that work for you?
Yeah.
So
right. And is the timing all right for everyone? 3 to 4:30 works. Dia is thinking. Works all right for all.
No, actually on Friday I have one other class at 2. So that ends only at 3 o'clock. So, but I'll try and come. So
it would, yeah. So the idea, yeah, because see now usme kya hoga ki if I go into everybody, then thoda, yeah, it might this thing, we can do the thing, but then let's try to keep this right now. Yeah. Like even yeah.
Devashish, you have any concerns about that?
Sir, actually, my college is till 4.
Oh, okay.
So I'm figuring that out.
Okay.
And is it daily or is there any off day or?
No, sir, daily.
Daily. Okay.
I can't obviously, अभी ये मैं record हो रहा है तो मैं ये नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि bunk मार के आजा बेटा. So
you may coincide your bunking day with this.
हाँ, तो समझ जाना बेटा.
हाँ, तो आज वही किया है.
हाँ, देखा.
तो
जब शुभ कार्यों को देरी की. Yeah.
Because see, वैसे तो because एक बार वो खोल देंगे ना तो फिर then it'll become फिर वापस भसड़ होगा. Everybody will then, and it's correct also, no? Because then yeah, then so let's try to, if we can, because एक बार शुरू हो जाएगा then flow में 6 weeks like this.
Yeah.
This pandemic is ensuring, no, that our life is only going like this. So
yeah.
And Joy sir, how long would the session be? Each session?
We have kept it from 3 to 4:30, but I guess that, as I said, let's start the work. Don't worry. If I feel we might, it depends on how well we are working. I don't watch the clock, and I am here to ensure that you get what you want. Remember that. If I am committing to you for 6 weeks, it is with the idea is that you get that ownership from us. Ki we are here, we are trusting you with our time, we are trusting you with our money. So with that in mind, I have never taken that lightly. That is not the way I function. And if so, therefore, as much time as is required, we will use. For now, it's 1.5 hours. As long as we need to get the job done, we will work. There will also be a lot of, trust me, I'm not going to, your life I will make haram, yaar. Because the idea is I'm not going to be able to ensure deliverables unless you do the assignments. या वो तो अगर हम करेंगे तो मुझे भी तो कुछ फायदा होना चाहिए ना. I also, unless you work hard, I won't learn. That's the thing. That's my carrot. So you will work and I will learn.
So just for this Friday again, I may come in late. My exams are on till Saturday.
So no worries. That
तो उतना ही मतलब 5-6 मिनट का ही होगा mostly.
नहीं, वो एग्जाम दे दे बेटा, एग्जाम दे दे वहां पे. Okay, so that's all right. I'm just saying कि let's see, अगर सबका ये सबका if they put it and everything is done. आज Tuesday है. If we have to start on Friday, then on Thursday, then I have to give you all the confirmatory message. So I mean backward integration करके अगर हम Friday को शुरू करना चाहते हैं, तो Thursday को मुझे confirmatory message भेजना पड़ेगा कि ये हो गया है, कि हम लोग start कर सकते हैं. तो लेकिन सबका we will have to take it. In case by chance there are some people who say no, I will pay by the weekend or something, then we will start on Tuesday. Only then. But if I'm sure that मेरा quorum हो गया, and trust me, I'm not. The idea is once it is done, I'm not looking at trying to take hundreds of. It doesn't make sense. Whoever is there should get the best out of it. That's the thing. So it does not matter for me whether there are how many students. The idea is finally let's try to hit the deliverables. So if we are planning to start on Friday, then today is Tuesday. Kal tak we should have the then today you let me know. We'll send you the details. Kal tak agar ho jayega, Thursday ko main bolunga pakka hai. And because then before the class also I will tell you all to prepare on something and come for that class. At least in thought process, in terms of ideation, I will tell you all something. I will give you all there will be I'll try to create a group, or us group mein even before you come for the first session I will send you an assignment. So your work will start immediately. That way we will try to max we'll try to max and see kitna ho sakta hai, what we can get. Okay, let's see.
Right.
All right.
Yes. Any other questions? Any doubts, concerns? Please feel free to ask. Yeah.
Right then. So, sir, is that good enough? Shall we then?
Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
All of you have filled a registration form, the one, and that's how you are here, right? Because otherwise you would not have gotten the, received the Zoom link probably. All right. Larson, you have also filled in, right?
Yeah. He did.
Yes, I have filled it.
Perfect. Yeah. So that we have your number so that we can shoot any messages.
Yeah.
Right.
So just so that we know you are interested and we are not this thing. As soon as the thing is done, to that number mentioned, or to the number mentioned, just send me a text that we are interested and to send us the details, and I will then immediately send you the details on which to transfer the funds. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay then.
Yes.
Bye bye. Thank you for your time.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes. Wish you all
Thank you,
the
sir.
best.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you safety and good health. Yeah. Take care. Yes. Bye bye.